Let's head to Aachen, Germany, where the old Harbakal Bridge once stood. Built back in 1956, this important bridge had served its time, but age caught up with it. Cracks and damage turned it into a safety risk, so the decision was made to tear it down and start fresh. Now, a brand new bridge is rising in its place, and at an impressive speed. Two massive sections, each 157 meters long and weighing 1,400 tons, were installed in just 2 days. If work keeps moving this fast, drivers will be cruising along their usual route again by September. It's a remarkable comeback for one of the region's key connections. In rural India, where nearly 924 million people live, building proper roads is a big challenge. The terrain includes hills, mountains, rivers, forests, and swamps, often hit by heavy rains and floods. That's why the roads must be built with materials that are affordable, widely available, and quick to install, especially for emergency repairs. One smart solution is Geoexile, made from coconut fiber. This natural material is strong, eco-friendly, and breaks down naturally without harming the soil. It can stretch up to 30% under pressure, handles salty water well, and is cheaper than regular materials. Plus, it lasts about 5 years, making it perfect for sustainable rural development. In March 2011, a massive 9.0 magnitude earthquake struck off Japan's eastern coast, triggering a powerful tsunami that caused massive destruction. One of the hardest hit areas was Kesennuma. As part of the city's recovery, a stunning new bridge was built across Kesennuma Bay. This bridge isn't just an engineering feat. It stands as a symbol of Japan's strength, hope, and resilience. Opened in 2021 on the 10th anniversary of the disaster, the 1,344-meter bridge features two 115-meter-tall towers and a road deck 32 meters above the ground. It's now part of a modern highway system designed to resist future floods and protect lives in the years to come. Germany has one of the biggest railway networks in Central Europe, carrying over 2 billion passengers and 268 million tons of cargo every year. Maintaining and upgrading this vast system is no small job. That's why Germany launched the VDE8 project, part of the country's 2030 National Development Plan. This major transport upgrade focuses on improving old rail lines and building new, high-speed routes. One key section is the 123-kilometer stretch from Erfurt to Leipzig-Halle. Once completed, it will cut travel time between Munich and Berlin to just 4 hours, with trains racing at 300 kilometers per hour. It's a huge step forward in making travel faster and more efficient for everyone. We're in Pasadena, California, a lively city known for top universities and the famous Rose Parade that attracts huge crowds every year. With all that activity, the roads take a beating and need regular repairs. So how are they fixing them? The answer is quick-install concrete slabs. These special precast slabs can be laid in almost any weather, making the process fast and efficient. For a 16-kilometer stretch, workers used around 6,500 slabs, averaging 280 slabs each night. Each slab is 30 centimeters thick and built to last about 50 years. It's a smart, long-term solution that helps keep this busy city moving without major traffic delays. The Road Zipper is an amazing solution used worldwide, from the UK to New Zealand, because of its strong yet flexible design. It's a real game changer when time matters. With the help of a special machine, these barriers can be moved at speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour. In just 10 minutes, a 1.6 kilometer long barrier can be shifted across 2 lanes. That's fast and efficient. Even though they appear and disappear quickly, don't be fooled. They're not plastic. These are tough, reinforced concrete barriers that lock together for added strength. The Road Zipper is making traffic management smarter, safer, and faster every day. Let's head to the quiet outskirts of Braunsbedra, Germany, where the Hasselkopf Road Tunnel was originally built back in 1995. Fast forward to 2018, and it was time for an upgrade, especially to improve drainage. To handle this, workers installed ACO Monolock T-channels, which are made from strong polymer concrete. These special drainage systems are perfect for tunnels. Why? Because they're built to last, meet both German and EU safety standards, resist fire, and can handle harsh road de-icing chemicals. The work was carried out by Vogala, a trusted German company known for reliable construction solutions. A smart update for a safer, more efficient tunnel. Connect, a top German company, builds powerful tunnel boring machines, TBMs, designed to cut through even the toughest rock like basalt. These machines are built to the highest safety standards, especially for soft or fragile ground. Their cutter heads can dig tunnels between 1.5 to 14 meters wide using strong disc cutters that push with up to 32 2-tons of force, crushing rock easily. To reduce shaking, hydraulic plates are built into the shield and pressed against the tunnel walls. This helps speed up the work. Heron Connect also offers custom-made tunneling solutions to match the needs of each unique project, ensuring top performance every time. Meet the Vogala Super 3003i, a true giant in asphalt paving. This powerful machine makes big tasks like highway upgrades and airport runway repairs faster and easier. It can pave roads up to 18 meters wide and handle up to 1,800 tons of asphalt every hour. In some cases, it can cover 25 meters of road in just 1 minute. What's even better? Despite its high-tech look, the control system is simple and user-friendly. Thanks to the Ergo Plus 3 system, all functions are neatly arranged, so operators can work smoothly without confusion. It's a perfect blend of power, speed, and smart design. Heron Connect offers a smart solution called Mechanized Cross-Passage Technology, designed to safely link parallel tunnels. This system is especially useful for metro and vehicle tunnels, where safety rules require emergency exits between tunnels. These passages help people escape quickly in case of fire or other dangers. What makes this technology stand out is its ability to work even in tough conditions, like areas with lots of underground water or weak shifting ground. It's a reliable way to meet strict safety standards while keeping tunnel projects efficient and secure. Heron Connect's approach ensures safer travel for everyone using these underground routes. SSS Underbridge Access Platform. When it comes to fixing or inspecting bridges, experts often rely on smart platforms like the SSS instead of old-fashioned scaffolding. These platforms are faster, safer, and more flexible. Take the Anderson HP35, for example. It can be set up in just 15 minutes and even rotates an 11-meter walkway a full 180 degrees. The SSS platform goes a step further with a special counterweight that can be adjusted remotely. No need to stand on the platform to balance it. This clever feature helps workers save time and energy while making their jobs easier and more efficient during bridge maintenance. Sunland Asphalt is showing off a fast and smart way to fix cracked or damaged roads, whether they're concrete or asphalt. Their crew first sprays a special polymer emulsion onto the surface. Right after that, they lay a thin 2.5 centimeter layer of asphalt concrete over it, all in one smooth pass using a custom-built machine. Then a vibrating roller presses everything into place. Amazingly, the road is ready for traffic just 15 minutes later. This method is perfect for busy roads and highways that can't afford long closures. It's a quick, reliable fix that saves time and keeps traffic moving without delays. Bellinzona is not just a beautiful Swiss city, it's now home to one of the coolest road projects in Europe. Known for its cheese and watches, Switzerland also has an impressive transportation system. Right now, Bellinzona is building a massive elevated roundabout with a 60-meter diameter. Why? Because it's a key transportation hub, connecting major highways and rail routes, leading to the famous Gotthard Pass in the Swiss Alps. This $75.4 million project uses a special material called Corten steel, which naturally develops a rust-like coating that actually protects it from corrosion. It's smart, strong, and stylish. Let's dive deeper into this and more amazing road innovations around the world.